Help, help, cried the geese. We are caught in the hunter's net. Oh, what shall we do now? Oh, what shall we do? Do not make a fuss now, said the wise old bird. Long ago I told you to destroy the creeper, but you did not. Now see what has happened. Tomorrow morning the hunter will come back and kill us all. All the geese cried then for help, but the wild wood bird asked them not to make noise. He now reminded them that they did not listen at his advice. So now what happened? The hunter will come and kill us. We were foolish, wept the birds. We are very sorry we did not listen to you. Please tell us what to do. Then listen carefully, replied the wise bird. When the hunter comes you must all pretend to be dead. Just last till the hunter will not want dead birds. He will throw us to the ground. It will then be easy for him to climb down, collect the dead birds, and take them home. When the last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away. The birds now tried. They could now realize their own mistake. They asked him to find any solution for the danger. The wise bird asked them to listen carefully. The meaning of pretend is showing falsely anything. He asked them that they will act as dead. They have to lie silently. Then the hunter will think them as dead. He will throw them onto the ground. At that time, the hunter will come down. Then he will collect the dead birds. But when he will throw the last bird, then we shall fly away. In the morning, the hunter came to the tree and climbed up. He looked at the geese in the net. They are all dead, he muttered to himself. He threw them out of the net one by one. The birds lay still until the last one has been thrown down. Then, all at once, they got up, flapped their wings, and flew away. The hunter was taken by surprise. From the top of the tree, he watched all the geese fly away. What happened then? In the next morning, the hunter came. He climbed up the tree, then looked at the net. The meaning of mutter is talking to oneself in a low tone. He told to himself that they are all dead. Now he threw them to the ground. The birds waited for the last one to be thrown, as they had planned previously. So now all them at once got up and flew away. The hunter was now in surprise. From the top of the tree, he looked only all the geese flying away. So children, what could we learn from this chapter? We learn two things from this chapter. Firstly, we should obey our elders, and secondly, united we stand, divided we fall. Now come to the new words and write them in your English copy.